Welcome back again. This time it's Razer Core V2. Okay, so this time I'm unboxing the Razer Core V2. So this turns your laptop into a gaming PC. So after cutting that, all we have to do is pull this thing out. So what is included in the package? A box of probably, I believe, cables and stuff, and the Core V2 unit itself. Move this aside, flip this over, and pull the box. Alright, so now we have the Core V2, and let's remove the styrofoam and okay, actually I'll do it this way. Now this thing is heavy. So it's fully metal built and metallic gray finish. Let's rip the plastic off. Oh. Okay. Alright, so this is the Razer Core V2. So on the back, we have 4 USB ports, a Ethernet port, power connector, and also a USB-C connector for connecting to your laptop. Over on the top, we have ventilation right here, and on the front is also ventilation. So on the side, this is transparent. So basically, I mean, it's not transparent, but there's a mesh grill here, so you can see your video card. And over on the other side is a Razer logo. Over at the bottom there's rubber feet, so this will keep your Razer Core V2 from sliding on your desk. At the time of filming this video, the Razer Core V2 retails for about 650 Canadian dollars. I got this on sale on Microsoft Store for $580 plus tax. So I paid about $660 for a Thunderbolt 3 eGPU dock. And I chose this over the Dell TB16 because I want a powerful graphics card for my XPS 15. On the other hand, I probably need my Ethernet cable, so I get a more stable internet experience over Wi-Fi. I mean, compared to Wi-Fi. And USB-C. This looks really nice. I like the green color, the green accent with the metallic gray finish. This is as heavy as a mid-tower computer case. So this is the first look for the Razer Core V2. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you want to see more, gaming peripherals, like high-tech products from Razer, from Corsair, from Dell, from any other brand, just let me know down below and subscribe to my channel, enable that notification, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya!